Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. So today we are going to solve lead codes database problem, which is second highest salary. So I'm recording this second time because first time there was a lot of background noise. So this is the second time. So the problem is write a solution to find second highest salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. The result format is in the following example. So we have an employee table and the example is we have salary 100, 200, 300 and we have to return second highest. So just ignore it. ID part, it is like we don't even care about this part. So it needs second highest salary. So the highest will be 300, then the second highest will be 200. So it needs 200. Similarly, let's see example 2. In example 2, we have 100. There is no second highest. That's why it needs null. So how to solve this thing? Just let me quickly write select then from employee. Now the thing is we need rank. So here we are going to use dense rank. I will just quickly tell you what is the difference between the rank and dense rank with example. So over we don't care about partitioning because there is no partitioning like subject department and so on. So we will just see what it is. So order by salary descending because we want in the descending order. So top first, then second top. As RK. Let me just copy it again and paste it to show instead of dense rank. This time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use rank and let me just again take salary. So, salary, dense rank, and rank. Let's run it. I have another third example added here. It was not there, so I added it just to okay. What is the issue? Okay, I added a comma. So actually there is some construction work going on around here, so that's why there is a lot of background noise. I hope here I changed the mic so it won't be here. So if you can see the output, salary is this, not this example. Let's go to third example where we have 100, 100. So salary is 100, salary is 100, and the rank versus, sorry, this is the dense rank column and this is the rank column. So here you can see it is 1, 2, sorry 1 1 and 2, whereas in normal rank it is 1 1 and then 3. So it completely skipped 2. Why it skipped 2? Because it knows that we have this one and this is the second element, so it will switch to 3 instead of giving it to 2. So that's why we cannot use normal rank, we need dense rank. So let me just remove it. Now we know what we need is where rank is 2, so where rank is equal to 2. Now, the issue is when we do this, it okay. Just let me just do one thing. Select salary from this. Just let me analyze it as Q and run it. So when what is wrong? Salary from okay invalid column RK. Why? Hmm. Okay, it should have been here, not here. Again issue. Okay, I forgot to remove this. Huh. So, okay, the name is salary, that's why it is giving error. So it is 200. In second case, if you see, there is nothing, but it needs null. When we use where clause, it is going to filter out all the records where this condition is not true. So we don't have any record, but now we need at least one row. So to tackle this issue, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just create a variable. So we can do it with city and we can do it variable. I'm going to do it with variable because it is easy to understand. So declare say second salary and let me just name it as int and then set salary second salary like sorry, set this equal to, then bracket. And one more thing, I'll just add it here. We just need one, because as soon as we add a variable, it just need one. So I'm going to add top one just to be sure that it doesn't return two. I mean, there will be some scenarios like test cases where it is going to return more than one record having rank two. So basically two 200s and so on. And once we do that, what we can do is we can just simply select at the rate second salary. So what it will do, it will just select this thing. Here there is no situations where there is a filtering scenarios or something, so it is going to return null if there is nothing. Big issue. I forgot to again rename it. Let me just rename it again. Just quickly look at things. See, now it is null. So all the three test cases accepted. This one, even this one, and case one. Let me just quickly submit it. Okay, it worked. See, the issue here it is, it beats only 8.47% of, this is the lead codes issue, I believe, because the same example I tried 16 minutes. So in the previous recording, you can see it just took 662 milliseconds, whereas now it is taking 1300 milliseconds. This is the exact same solution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit it again. I'm not sure why they are not working on this thing, but it is constantly changing. See, from 6 millisecond it so from 6% it went up to 89%. I'm not sure how this is going to work, and this is how it is. So on an average, it is taking 662 milliseconds. So that is fine. Okay, then it worked. Let's see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.